Quick tutorial on how to add a page. So on the left hand side of admin, we're going to club pages, then we're going to go to view, edit club pages, just to take a look at all of the different pages that we have here. Basically what these are going to be, if I look at it, it's going to be a page that allows you to put content in words, images, things of that nature. So I'll close out of this, but let's go back here now within the pages again. Let's go to create the page, which shoots us to a customizable spot. So we'll want to name this. I'm going to just call it test page, and that will automatically populate a post URL, and we are going to create the post. So depending upon the page that you're actually trying to create, there are a few general rules and SEO description tags that you would be able to put in here, but you do get shot by default to a layout page, which allows you to put in various columns. So a single column could be just one single piece of content that you are looking to add. So we'll throw that in there, and that's dragged in, and then when we click it and then click content, it allows us to put in some words. And let me just take this and center it, and then on the left hand side here we can put a heading to it, and then I can press enter and go down, and then maybe I want to left align this next content. Okay, so this is kind of the WYSI page that you see. I'm going to save this page, and then I'm going to view that page, which then shoots me to a whole new tab. And I guess what you don't see here is the URL. The URL at the top shows Sports Carnival link, and then that test page that created is a part of the URL as well. So I'm going to copy and paste this. I wish you could see this, sorry, but I'm copying and pasting the URL, and then what I'm doing is going back into the admin. So what you don't see, that's a page that lives. There's no button to it. Let me go back to this, and you're probably concerned, well, how do I make it clickable? So after I've clicked and copied that link, I'll go back into the admin page, and what I'll do is, if I want that as a navigational button, I'm going to go into nav menu, and I will see all of the different navs that I've already created here. So sign waiver is in there, rules, contract, these all contain links. I'm just going to go over here to custom link, add it, and I'm going to call this test button, and then that same link that I just copy and pasted, I will paste in there. Save this. It's going to ask, are you okay with the save? And it'll just refresh to a whole new page. So now you can see that is a navigational button within our website. Kind of gives you a preview here in admin. So if I clicked it, it will show the actual page they've created. Now, if you want to go back into admin and update this page with anything, you can then just go to your pages section, review and edit that page, and just find it. We created this test page, so I'll click this edit item, and now I can add different elements. So if I'm looking for, let's say, 3 images below, I could maybe do this 3 column. If I wanted 4 images, you could do it that way. 2/3, 1/3 means more space on the left, 2/3, and then maybe an image or something right here, or maybe a big image on the left and space on the right. I could just show what that would look like. If you click it again and click content, allowing you to make an edit to it, I am selecting the far left, the 2/3, and then here on the far right would be the 1/3. So I'll go in here, I'm going to add an image. Let's just use logo, and then on the right hand side, so if I took this and I wanted to increase the heading size of it, make it a little bigger, and maybe I wanted to delete and go down the page a little bit. This doesn't give a great example of what it's going to look like on the page, but you can see as I press return and enter, it'll go down. And let's see now what that looks like on the actual page. So let's view that page. And we can see image on the left, copy on the right. Again, I can go back in here and maybe delete a few more times. Maybe I want to go into the actual image and shrink that image a touch. So again, this image is always going to be left aligned. So if I wanted to center it within my 2/3 section, highlighting it, clicking to center, save the page. Let's take a view of that page. And now we can see that that image is a little bit more left. copy's a little further bottom or further down, so it's sort of centered with this. I would maybe make one more delete here and just continually refresh it and tweak your page. That is how you create a page.